In the process of harvesting, where hard work and smart planning can yield a rich financial harvest, today we will explore the diverse ways to monetize your harvest and secure a profitable future in our farms. A successful harvest begins with diversification. Plant multiple crops, explore markets and capitalize on seasonal demand. Consider high-value crops like organic produce, herbs, or specialty fruits. By spreading your risk, you'll increase your potential for financial gain. Transform your raw harvest into value-added product. Consider jam making, pickling, or baking. These products command higher prices and open doors to new markets. Invest in packaging and branding to differentiate your products and attract premium buyers. Cut out intermediaries and connect directly with consumers. Farmers markets, online platforms, and community-supported agriculture programs offer opportunities to sell your harvest at premium prices, build relationships, offer subscriptions, and leverage social media to expand your customer base. Unlock the potential of agritourism by hosting farm tours, workshops, and educational programs. Share your expertise, showcase sustainable practices, and create immersive experiences. This diversifies your income streams and fosters community engagement. In conclusion, a successful harvest requires innovative thinking, hard work, and strategic planning. By diversifying your crops, creating value-added products, selling directly to consumers, and embracing agritourism, you'll reap a financial harvest that will sustain you for years to come. Start cultivating your financial future today. Explore these opportunities, stay informed with our Ninja Kisan, and join the thriving community of harvest entrepreneurs.